Meaning of George Abbott.
George Abbott.
George Abbott.
George Abbott.
George Abbott. George Abbott was an American theater producer and director, born in 1887 in New York City. He made significant contributions to the American theater, producing and directing many successful Broadway shows throughout his career. Abbott won many Tony Awards, including Best Director and Best Musical, and his productions continue to be performed and celebrated today. His legacy is recognized as one of the most influential and impactful in the history of American theater, and his work continues to inspire generations of theater artists and enthusiasts around the world.